Hi, in today's video I'm going to do more important and useful geometry problem regarding triangle. So in this one we have a triangle alpha, beta, gamma. Let's call this side length of this triangle A. Let's call this one B. Let's call this one C. Okay? So the formula that I'm going to prove today is this one. Sine of alpha over the side length A equals sine beta over side length B of this triangle equals sine gamma over side length C. Okay? Now in order to do that, I'm going to do the projection line from the point, let's call this one A and B and C. Let's call this one, let's do the projection line from A, capital A, on segment BC, okay? It's giving us the right triangle on both sides. We have two right triangles. We have ABM and AMC, okay? So now, let's call this, let's divide this segment by 2. Let's call this distance from B to M X and this distance from M to C Y. Now I'm going to work on this triangle, AMC triangle. AMC triangle. We have sine alpha equals opposite, which is H, over hypotenuse, which is B. For the triangle AMB, we have the sine beta equal H, which is opposite, over hypotenuse, which is A. I'm going to combine these two equations. I'm going to divide the equation number 1 over equation number 2. This one is giving us sine alpha over sine beta equals H over B is multiplied by H over A. Okay? It's equivalent. Sine alpha over sine beta equals H over B is multiplied by the reciprocal of this one, which is A over H. So H will be cancelled out. So I will be ended with A over B. So this one equivalent sine alpha. I'm going to divide both sides by A by combining this equation. So I will have sine alpha over A equals sine beta over B. Okay? This is the first part of these equations. I'm moving on to the second part. For the gamma, let's call this the angle gamma 1 and this angle gamma 2. So gamma equals gamma 1 plus gamma 2. I'm going to apply sine on both sides. I will have sine gamma equals sine gamma 1 plus gamma 2. Regarding trigonometry formula, I'm going to distribute this one. This one is giving us sine gamma 1 is multiplied by cosine gamma 2 plus sine gamma 2 is multiplied by cosine gamma 1. What I'm going to do now is equivalent. I'm going to, as you know, sine of gamma 1 plus sine of gamma 2. This one is giving us gamma because the sum of this angle. So I will have sine of gamma equals sine of gamma 1, sine of gamma 1, which is x opposite over hypotenuse, which is x over A. I'm replacing this one. For cosine gamma 2, we have the adjacent, which is H, over hypotenuse, which is B. Plus for the sine gamma 2, we have the opposite, which is y, over hypotenuse, which is b, is multiplied by cosine gamma 1, gamma 1, which is adjacent, which is h, over hypotenuse a. If you take a look at here, we have h over ab as a common factor for both sides. I will multiply by this one, so I will have h over ab is multiplied, first term is multiplied by x, the second term is multiplied by y. If you take a look at here, this x plus y is equals to this distance, let's call it c, this segment, equal to h over a b c. Okay, I'm going to replace h with its value as we have in the first equation. H is given as b multiplied by sine alpha, which is c over ab is multiplied by b is multiplied by sine alpha. 1 of b will be cancelled out, so it's equivalent sine gamma equal to c over a is multiplied by sine alpha. I'm going to divide c on both sides, so I will have this equivalent sine gamma over c equal the sine alpha over a. We already proved sine alpha over a is equals to sine beta over b. Okay, now I have ended with this one, so we have proved this formula. Okay, now I have done with this problem. Just consider to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.